Welcome to our comprehensive guide on Firebase Interview Questions. Firebase is Google's powerful mobile and web development platform that has become essential for modern application development. In this series, we'll explore the fundamental concepts you need to master for Firebase interviews, covering key areas like real-time database, Firestore, authentication, and cloud functions. Firebase serves as a backend-as-a-service solution that enables developers to build scalable applications without managing server infrastructure. Whether you're preparing for technical interviews or looking to strengthen your Firebase knowledge, this guide will provide you with the essential concepts and practical insights needed to succeed. Firebase is Google's comprehensive backend-as-a-service platform designed to simplify mobile and web application development. As a complete development platform, Firebase provides hosting, authentication, analytics, and multiple database solutions all integrated into one cohesive ecosystem. The key benefits of Firebase include real-time synchronization capabilities that allow data to be instantly updated across all connected devices, cross-platform software development kits that work seamlessly with iOS, Android, and web applications, and a serverless architecture that eliminates the need for traditional server management. Firebase's rapid development approach allows developers to focus on building features rather than managing backend infrastructure, making it an ideal choice for startups and enterprises alike. Firebase offers two primary database solutions, each designed for different use cases and requirements. The real-time database uses a single JSON tree structure that provides real-time synchronization with extremely low latency, making it perfect for applications requiring instant updates like chat applications or collaborative tools. However, it supports only simple queries and has a flat data structure. In contrast, Cloud Firestore uses a document and collection model that offers advanced querying capabilities, better scalability for large datasets, and robust offline support with automatic synchronization when connectivity is restored. Firestore provides more sophisticated data modeling options and is generally recommended for new projects due to its enhanced features and improved performance characteristics. Firebase Authentication provides multiple sign-in methods to accommodate various user preferences and security requirements. The basic authentication methods include email and password combinations, phone number verification with SMS codes, anonymous authentication for guest users, and custom authentication systems for enterprise integration. Firebase also supports social providers through federated identity, including Google Sign-in, Facebook Login, Twitter and GitHub authentication, and Apple and Microsoft sign-in options. This flexibility allows developers to implement the most appropriate authentication strategy for their target audience while maintaining consistent security standards. Firebase handles the complex security protocols and token management automatically, ensuring that user credentials are protected according to industry best practices. Firebase hosting provides fast and secure web hosting with enterprise-grade features. The deployment capabilities include one-command deployment through the Firebase command line interface, custom domain support with automatic SSL certificate provisioning, and one-click rollbacks for quick recovery from issues. From a performance perspective, Firebase hosting utilizes a global content delivery network for fast content delivery worldwide, solid-state drive caching at edge locations for improved response times, gzip and Brotli compression to reduce bandwidth usage, and support for both static and dynamic content serving. This combination of ease of use and high performance makes Firebase hosting an excellent choice for web applications that require reliable, fast, and secure content delivery to users around the globe. Firebase Cloud Functions enables serverless backend logic execution without the need for server management. The serverless features include automatic scaling based on demand, support for both JavaScript and TypeScript programming languages, zero server maintenance requirements, and a pay-per-execution pricing model that makes it cost-effective for applications with variable traffic. Cloud Functions respond to various event triggers, including database writes and reads from Firestore or Realtime database, authentication events such as user creation or deletion, HTTP requests for API endpoints, and storage uploads for file processing workflows. This event-driven architecture allows developers to build responsive applications that automatically react to user actions and data changes while maintaining optimal resource utilization. The Firebase Real-Time Database is a NoSQL database that stores data as a single JSON tree structure. This data structure consists of key-value pairs organized in a nested hierarchy, allowing for simple and intuitive data organization. However, this simplicity comes with limitations, as the database only supports basic queries and lacks the advanced filtering capabilities found in more complex database systems. The real-time synchronization feature is the database's strongest advantage, providing instant synchronization across all connected clients with millisecond-level updates. Offline persistence that stores changes locally when disconnected, automatic conflict resolution through last writer wins merge strategy, and consistently low latency updates that make it ideal for real-time applications like messaging, gaming, and collaborative tools. Firebase Authentication implements enterprise-grade security features to protect user data and application access. The security infrastructure includes end-to-end encryption for all data transmission, OAuth 2 protocols for secure authentication flows, multi-factor authentication options for enhanced account protection, and customizable password policies to enforce strong user credentials. Token management is handled automatically through JSON web token issuance with secure transmission protocols, auto-refresh mechanisms that maintain user sessions seamlessly, secure token transmission using HTTPS encryption, and comprehensive session validation to prevent unauthorized access. These security measures ensure that user authentication meets industry standards and provides robust protection against common security threats and attack vectors. Firebase security rules provide granular data protection through a flexible rule language that controls access at the resource level. The data protection system offers user-based permissions that restrict access based on authentication status and user roles, resource-level control that applies rules to specific database paths or documents, and real-time enforcement that validates every read and write operation. Best practices for implementing security rules include following the principle of least privilege by granting minimum necessary permissions, implementing comprehensive data validation within the rules themselves, thorough testing of rules using Firebase's built-in testing tools, and conducting regular security audits to identify and address potential vulnerabilities. Proper implementation of security rules is crucial for maintaining data integrity and preventing unauthorized access to sensitive information. Firebase provides comprehensive monitoring and analytics tools to track application performance and user behavior. Performance monitoring includes application startup time tracking to identify initialization bottlenecks, network request monitoring to analyze API call performance, screen rendering performance measurement to ensure smooth user interfaces, and custom traces and metrics for monitoring specific application workflows. Google Analytics integration offers detailed user engagement tracking to understand how users interact with your application, crash reporting through Crashlytics for identifying and fixing application errors, conversion funnel analysis to optimize user journeys, and audience demographics to better understand your user base. These insights enable data-driven decisions for improving application performance and user experience. Implementing Firebase in production environments requires adherence to established best practices for security and performance. Security practices include implementing the principle of least privilege in all access controls, enabling app check validation to protect against abuse, conducting regular security audits to identify vulnerabilities, and setting up comprehensive monitoring and alerting systems. Performance optimization practices involve testing applications locally using Firebase emulators before deployment, efficiently batching operations to reduce API calls and improve performance, configuring appropriate scaling limits to manage costs and prevent abuse, and implementing thorough input validation and sanitization to prevent security vulnerabilities. Following these practices ensures that Firebase applications are secure, performant, and ready for production environments. Deploying Firebase applications to production requires a strategic approach that ensures reliability and minimal downtime. Deployment strategies include implementing blue-green deployments for zero downtime releases, utilizing Firebase command line interface automation for consistent deployments, maintaining separate environment configurations for development, staging, and production, and ensuring robust rollback capabilities for quick recovery from issues. Continuous integration and continuous deployment pipeline integration includes GitHub Actions for automated testing and deployment workflows, cloud build automation for scalable build processes, continuous monitoring to track application health and performance, and automated testing to catch issues before they reach production. Firebase provides enterprise-grade infrastructure with seamless scalability and robust security features, making it an ideal platform for modern applications that require reliability, performance, and global availability.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.